whispers, hear the call. Rational living channel, we stand tall. We cut through lies, we break the chains. Expose the cheaters, we bring the pain. No more whispers, no more games. We shine the light, we stake our claims. We sharpen tongues and clear views. We bring the truth, you can't refuse. We're the voice of the betrayed. No more silence, we're unafraid. With every story we ignite the flame. Unmasking deceivers, we stake our name. Unapologetic, we won't back down. We're here to fight. We wear the crown. Cheers, beware. We're on your trail in this battle.
My brother, thank you so much for coming again. Since you reported your case to us, as I said to you, the guys have been doing the investigations and they've got some evidence. That's why we called you today, and we know that your wife is right here today.
Yeah.
There's information that the guys did dig out as they were doing their investigations. Obviously, your wife is seeing someone else.
What?
I think that's what you wanted us to figure out for you, right? Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure my wife is seeing someone else?
Your wife is here with someone else. If you want, we'll give you that opportunity to confront your wife.
Please.
But I always tell people this: when we do these investigations, the whole point is for you to be informed. We don't want violence, so please try to talk rather than fighting, because all you needed was the truth, and the truth is what we're giving you today. Yeah.
So you mean I'm gonna see that guy?
Right now, if you want, but we don't want violence. We don't want violence, yeah? Okay.
Okay, please, can you take me there,
yeah,
please?
Yeah, if you're ready, we'll take you there. Okay, let's go.
Kwenzakalani mama? Hayibo. Wena ufuna ndani ngikwa yinda.
Yewe,
Wena yini inkinga yakho wena? 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 Hayibo. Nenzani nina? Athina ngifamba. Ngifamba nalo tshaka incane. Uphisi uyalwa la uhlula abafazi.
Nani wena ngoba oqala umuntu wakhe ayisebenza.
Uhlula abafazi wena uphisi uzolwa la. Ha? Uzolwa la.
Angikwazi ukuthi ufunani la.
Uhlula abafazi, uhlula umfazi, uhlula kanini
Umuntu wakhe ayisebenzi wena. Uyangilambisa.
Eh? Uhlula kanini umfazi?
Uyangilambisa
Uyangilambisa
wena.
wena.
Unginika indlala. Ngikulela ngendlala. Umuntu wakhe ayisebenzi.
Wait,
Ayisebenzi into yakho.
Uyayazi njani? Uyayazi ungakutshela lutho wena mkhulu.
Ayisebenzi into
Ungakutshela
yakho.
lutho wena mkhulu.
Hayi miyeke wena baby lo. Isilima lesi. Phuku.
Ayikho into ozoyikhuluma wena mkhulu.
Ayisebenzi.
Ayikho into ozoyisho wena mkhulu.
Bayela wena.
Ayikho into ozoyisho.
Bayela wena.
Umkhulu. Ngakho ayisebenzi.
Ayisebenzi into yakho. Phuma.
Bayela.
Phuma kuthina.
Bulala.
Hamba.
Bulala wena.
Hambi ngiye. Yawenze lutho mkhulu.
Yakungenze lutho
Yawenze
wena.
lutho mkhulu.
Ucabanga ukuthi ungibulela ngendlala.
Yebo mkhulu.
Into yakho ingasebenzi.
Hey, you can.
Awuneli phela.
Usala phela. Usala phela. Ushaye. Ushaye wena phela. deceivers. Hear the call, Rational Living Channel, we stand tall. We cut through lies, we break the chains, exposing cheaters.
Lucy, my name is Tetevenyika Matsmaijin. We are a Rational Living Channel. We do investigations for cheating spouses. I'm sure you're familiar with our program, which is called Deceivers.
Cheating what?
We follow cheating spouses. It's called Deceivers.
Okay.
We provide a platform for those who want to be informed about their spouses or marriages or relationships if they are suspecting anything. The guy that you're seeing, do you live with him?
Yes.
Okay. He is married.
Sorry?
He is married.
Who?
The guy that you...
No.
That's why I've called you.
No, it's not.
That's why I've called you. Let me explain. The wife asked us to investigate because she was suspecting something. And for the last 4 weeks, we have seen him coming to yours, holding the baby, playing with the baby at your house. He is married. And I thought that you might want the opportunity to confront and to see for yourself.
Yes, I need to see her now. Can you take me to her?
Yes, that's why we're here. But we need to do it in order though. We can't just go like that. If it's okay with you, security, okay, can you stay with Lucy? And then we can, okay, we'll come in. Cheating with this one, your husband is seeing that one too. You asked it to you asked us to investigate your husband. Your husband asked to investigate you. And there is your evidence. There. They've got a baby together.
How? Kanjani?
You cannot be that. You're for that one. So how can you fight her?
When udindoda yami wena. Udindoda yami wena. Udindoda yami wena. Yini wena le indoda yami? Unengane nendoda yami wena. Uzobona. Uzobona. Ngishaya wena. Wena uthi umnandi, wena uthi uthi ungayi. Phela ukuthi umnandi akusho ukuthi wena kufanele wenze kanje. Wena. Umangane abani uzobane lo ngane ngifuni ngeke sifike la emzini wethu.
No, you can't be fighting her.
Ayitshela ukuthi ishadile le ndoda. Ayitshela ukuthi ishadile. Ngibuza ukuthi ayitshela ukuthi ishadile.
Sineminyaka thina sineminyaka sithandana. Nami ngisabi ke tshela. Sawuthi khangana bangela ngisabi.
Unosiya ningijwayela kabi. Zobona, sazokuthola wena.
Ngathi nabazokuyeka yini?
Uzongiyeka, uzokungiyekela.
Usake kumluku si.
Ngimnuka. Uthini lo dodo lentombazane? Bona phela nto yakhe engavumi. Ayivuki vele lento yakho. Bona lento yakhe engavumi. Ulaya yiyona le ndifuna ukwenza.
Usakuvezele kuwena.
Oh, usitiyabani ufuna ukungilala nami. Ufuna ukungilala uzokenzani mina? Uzokenzani mina? Ufuna ukungilala nami. Usuyangifuna. Usuyangifuna nami.
Uzofela emanyakeni.
Usuyangifuna yini nami?
Uzofela emanyakeni.
Uyangifuna nami. Ufuna ungikabula nami, ufuna ukungilala nami. Ufuna ukungilala. Angangenelisi. Kodwa wenziwa yilo.
Angolungisa ukucabulela.
Nguye ekhemesi.
Unyawo.
Usabisi wena.
Ngeke
uzukwenze lokho. Ngenzela uthona mkhulu.
Did you tell her that you made it?
Uhambe ushiwe.
Lalela.
Nomkhabi.
Lalela.
Odala wena.
Sanda sami lesi.
Kwenzakala nti
Yes.
ushadile wena.
Sanda sami
Siyethe
lesi.
usungibamba ha.
Wena
Ushadile
awuzali.
wena. Ushadile wena.
Kuliya sanda sami.
Ushadile wena.
Kuliya sanda sami.
Ushadile wena. Ushadile wena.
Ya nomgodo ongazali. Wena mntana wena usinengane enhle kabi nayo. Yaxolisa isandla sami usingakwazisi. Yaxolisa isandla sami. Hamba. Awuzali vele wena. Awuzali hamba. Ngifanelene hamba. Awunazali thula isandla sami. Thula lapha. Thula. Hamba hamba umuntu ongazali lapha.
Uyangenelwa wena.
Khuleka. Ye wena. Hey. Suka la. Angisakufuni. Angisakufuni hamba. Angisakufuni. Samba nesandla sami. Xolo madam. Xolo madam. Xolo madam. Hambani. Khuleka sandla sami, khuleka. Khuleka sandla sami, khuleka.
This is Deceivers, here to call. Rational Living Channel, we stand tall. We cut through lies, we break the chains.
Bengazi kodwa ukuthi le doti lo useze wazala
Nisibizelani
nengane.
manje? Yini manje nifunani?
Someone's wife.
Ngizoba nawe impilo yakho
Umuntu
yonke.
wami Uyabani?
Umuntu wami.
Uyabani?
Hamba nesandla.
Uyabani?
She's yours. Why is she
She's
fighting?
mine. She's mine.
What is she still fighting
Ukhothen
for?
wena.
What are you fighting for?
Ukhothen. Mawunganekho sanda kwenzani? Mawunganekho sanda kwenzani?
Anginangane nawe.
Lesima lesi.
Hamba
Vela uzalwa wena. Awunangane vela uzalwa.
Wena ngane unayisho ukuthi eyakho.
Akuyona
Vele
yakho nalo
isima.
ngane leyo.
Into yakho
Akuyona
ayisebenzile
yakho.
siyezi. Iphethwe
Akuyona
ushukela.
yakho. Tshela umtsheli ngani ukuthi akuyona yakho lo ngane. Awumtsheli ngani ukuthi akuyona yakho lo ngane leyo.
Hamba la. Hamba la.
Nawe uyafela
Kemek.
nawe.
Hamba ngeke wenze lutho manje. This is yes my proof. Yes my proof. Yes my proof. And unengane lo. Ungizayile ingane ngineminyaka nginayo akanyangane. Hamba la.
Why didn't you tell it? Why were you not open and with her?
I was waiting for the right time, ma'am. Don't worry, ma'am. Actually, I was just waiting for the right time.
Why did you ask us to investigate her when you have someone else?
I didn't know she's so stupid. I didn't. Hamba la. Hamba.
Hamba nawe moyo
Shy.
omubi.
Shy. Hey. Shy.
You need to apologize to her.
No, my baby.
You need to do it properly. This is not fun. This is painful.
Yes. She's disturbing me, ma'am.
Shadile bo.
She's disturbing me. Say what she
Ngiyala
doing.
thina lesikora lezo ingazi.
Hey. Yeah, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out with your curtain. Get out with your curtain. My babe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my babe. I'm sorry. Sorry. Sorry, my love. Sorry, my love. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So sorry, my
This
love.
is what we wanted you to know the truth.
I love you, man. I love you. I love you. Sorry. My babe, I respect you. I love you so much. I love you so much. Leave this curtain here. Leave them here. Sorry. Sorry. I love you. I'm loving you. I love you. I love you, my baby. She's a stupid, my baby. Hey! You deserve each other. Go away. You deserve each other. Go away. Go away. You deserve each other. Go take it. Hey.
Ozala wena. Ozala wena mkhulu. Ozala wena mkhulu.
Fuck you up. Fuck you up. Fuck you up.
Shaya mnwesu.
Funani kumina. Angithi ithwalile futhi ngikwazi.
Ngobona.
Hey, take. Well, go with your curtain. Go.
Noma sikhotheni wena.
Go with your
Ukhuluma
curtain.
sikhotheni wena. Noma sikhotheni wena.
Siyaliyeka lela khehla lela nahambe. We've shown you what you asked us to show you. Your husband asked us to show you this, and you've seen that, and our job is done.
Oh, icelele vele. usicelele vele.
Ask us to investigate the wife. The wife
Vele into
asked us
yakho
to-
ayisebenzi
And here we
inesiyezi.
are.
Noma
Phethe
ngahamba vele.
ushukela.
Noma ngahamba. Naliya ngane
Phethe
lana kuyona yakhe.
ushukela.
Naliya ngane akuyona yakhe.
Nale ngane onayo ibhomu.
Uyashayelwa vele. Uyashayelwa. Akahamba ufuna umuthi ekhemesi.
Isima.
Ikhona impesu. Hamba ufuna impesu.
Hamba ufuna imbiza. Hamba.
Usitshele ngale khehla lini.
This is Deceivers, here to call. Rational Living Channel, we stand tall. We cut through